The top Neapolitan Mastiff dad, like your average dog dad but cooler Raglan baseball t-shirt, is the perfect way to show off your unique and fun-loving spirit, especially if you're a proud dog dad. Neapolitan Mastiffs are known for their impressive size and intimidating presence, but they also have the most lovable and gentle nature with their families. This t-shirt embraces that very essence with a playful twist on the classic dog dad theme. It's designed for those who love their Neapolitan Mastiff-like family, showcasing not only your deep bond with your four-legged companion but also your cool, laid-back attitude. The clever text, like your average dog dad but cooler, adds a humorous touch, making it a standout piece in any dog lover's wardrobe. The Raglan design of the baseball tee features contrasting sleeves that give it an athletic, yet relaxed look, making it ideal for any casual outing. Whether you're taking your dog for a walk in the park or attending a pet event, this t-shirt provides a comfortable and stylish way to represent your love for your pet. It's a great conversation starter, sparking joy among fellow dog enthusiasts while also making it clear that you're the coolest dog dad around.